Good morning. Today we are seeing a side dump trailer again. We made this for the Chinese domestic market and we OEM this trailer for CRMC Dongyue, which they have orders and we produce them for CRMC and they can give it to the client. This trailer is same as we have seen in the last two videos. It is designed to dump to one side, which is this side. You can see the difference between those hinges and devices on the top. The left is different than the right. You can see the right side is fixed, so it can only tipping to that side. The side wall here can open like this direction, or can open like this direction. So when it's tipping, and we can see it's tipping to the other side. Let's have a look how it looks when it's hoisted up. This is how it looks when it's tipping. We are here to do the simulation, and we use the two hydraulic hoses to give the hydraulic power to make it lift to the other side. So you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hoist cylinder in the middle, and we are still doing some adjusting job. So this is how it looks from the side who is supporting the tipping slide, and this is how it looks the safety when it's open. I think this would give you idea how it would work. And now we are finished the one who haven't been lifting up, and it has Euro. Here is a canvas bucket. You can put canvas on the top. And we haven't quite finished the trailer yet, so you can see the electricity system we haven't finished at all. Here is the same like the other trailers. This one is for ABS socket, and here we are seeing the kingpin plate, and this is one of the hoist cylinder. And we are going to the bottom. We are seeing the landing gear, which is operating in the right side. And here are the hoist system. We use the hoist hose, and we use the hydraulic hose and the steel pipe to do the power transmitting from the front to the whole body of the trailer. We can see the tank here, and in the middle there is a gap over there. We shall add a water tank to give the water to spread to the tires, to cool down the tires, make sure when they are running in the mountain area, the tire won't blow up easily. Okay, now we're getting out of the bottom of the front trailer. This is a side protection. We haven't added the reflector tape on top of it. And to the back side, we have the tire and axles. The tire we're using is 12R 22.5, and the axle we're using is made from our axle factory. It's a 13-ton axle. We also have the rope hook and the ratchet here to do the cable fastening and fixing it here, hold it here. And this is the suspension system, and 2 suspension hanger and 2 suspension hangers. So it's totally 4 suspension hanger in each side for 3 axle, and 3 set of the leaf spring on each side. This is the moving leg we have talked about in the last video. It moves the trailer from left to the right, or to the right, or from the right to the left. Now how they are operating it, you can see it's here. So the driver can easily operate it from the rear side, which is a safe place. Okay, let's close it up and have a look at the backside view. And those hinges are normal hinges. It has the top hinge and the bottom hinge with 1 pin from this side to go through it, and with a washer and a small pin here to fix it. Also, we have the Chinese CIMC sign to mention this is made for CIMC Dongyue. Yeah, let's get to the top and have a look at what looks like inside of the trailer. Here on the top, you can see it is different than the normal checked plate. It is a smooth plate to give less friction and more smooth when you are dumping the cargo. This is a bulkhead, and it protects the driver in the cabin. So this is how you are operating the canvas bucket. You can easily get the canvas out from it and use it to cover the cargo, which you have loaded on top of it. In the left and the right is drop side. We use this type of design, and we put a leash ring there. You can open the device here. This is the right side, and when we go to the left side, it's a different design, which you can fix on the top and dump when the drop side is opening like this way. The cargo will go through from this gap here to the ground. The rear drop side also can drop from the top to the bottom, and so you can use your forklift to drive your cargo onto the trailer. We're at the bottom of the trailer, and this is the landing gear, and that's the operation devices we were seeing from the outside. And this is the door we were seeing, and it can open and close from the rear, and those hydraulic hoses is connecting to the steel pipe under the cross member of the trailer. Here we are seeing the axles and leaf springs, and those small part we have talked many times. And this is the leaf spring hook, and that's an air chamber. This is a slide adjuster, camel shift, and drum of the axle. And this is U-bolt, and those lines are braking line, and that is the ABS and the emergency valve. It's the same like the others. Requires ABS, so you can see the ABS line from here and from here, and those are sensors in each axles, and to the monitors in the middle to give it ABS function, and the protection guard like the other trailers, and that is a spare tire carrier. Yeah, I think that's enough for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy the demonstration and the video. See you guys next time. Bye.